Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by stabilizing power and preserving data. Plug in the original Lightning cable and get the battery above 20%. Once done, back up to iCloud or a computer so you can restore if needed. Check Settings General Software Update to see your iOS version, and quickly note any apps you recently installed or updated. Those often trigger loops. Next, force restart using the model-specific button sequence to clear temporary faults before deeper fixes. You'll now identify the root cause by testing changes systematically. After a force restart, observe whether the loop stops for at least one full boot cycle. If it continues, update apps in the App Store or uninstall any suspect app you noted earlier. Make sure to try reset all settings to clear misconfigured preferences without erasing data. If problems persist, connect to a computer and restore iOS via Finder or iTunes. This replaces system files while giving you control. Finish by escalating carefully. Use DFU restore only when a standard restore fails, because it rewrites the firmware and is more invasive. Once complete, set up your iPhone and restore your backup, making sure to reinstall apps gradually so you can spot trouble quickly. If restarting persists, you should contact Apple support or visit an Apple store for battery or logic board inspection. One key troubleshooting tip: if symptoms reappear after reinstalling an app, avoid that app until an update fixes it.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.